Batisi TV, lawan Rashipi daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155. Ringkat baganet foodish, ordar mapi, nginwan ramani, hakir dobyeng jongpi.
National General Secretary Jong All India Trinamool Congress, Abhishek Banerjee, haka jingkran jong haka jingelang jong ni kaseng ke belalong haka khatlai trik no pra arjar arfuar ha uso sutham auditorium ula ong baya ka Meghalaya la jutip kom ka ri jong Lyoh Henry Mynta ka kalalong penban kom ka Bneng jong ki Riew Bamsap Abhishek ula theteng ya ka sarkar MDA lor ka jingja ka belaja hamukro ha ka basan ngut ki Riew ki la syak siat yap ha ki pulit asam bat ula ong bahadu mentaru ki pulit ki badan kiti ban siat yap ya ki Riew patba kidang yat saho sharum shaneng but dan bale yaki.
We are the only party fighting, so Trinamool Congress is just the platform. After I went back from Garo, the sad incident of Mukro happened where 5 civilians were killed for no reasons. What is the Chief Minister of the state doing? Has any of the perpetrator or the one who fired bullets, they're still roaming scot-free? No one was taken to task. No one was called or asked to join the investigation even once. A person who cannot stand for his own state, for the people of his own state, is supposed to stand for you. This is one question you need to remind yourself before you go out and vote. I'm telling this to you with utmost confidence that Meghalaya is waiting on the cusp of change. In 2023, in the month of February, when the elections happen and the results are declared, you will see a new, fresh, democratic, progressive government which will work for every Meghalayan and the soil and the people of the soil. And I reiterate it again in presence of our chairperson that when the next government is formed, Meghalaya will no more be ruled from Guwahati or Delhi. Meghalaya will be ruled by Meghalaya. Will any BJP leader come and say that Meghalaya will not be ruled from Gujarat? They will not have the guts. They will not have the honesty. Can Conrad Sangma go to the Prime Minister or the Home Minister or the President and say that I need justice for my people? My people were shot dead, were shot at their chest, and were killed mercilessly, and I want justice for that. You will never see your Chief Minister go and protest in Delhi because he has his spine, he has his everything deposited in Delhi. And he is under compulsion because otherwise they will use the CBI and the ED against the present Chief Minister. They have been using ED CBI against Trinamool. But I tell you again that let them use whatever agency they have at their disposal. We don't care about. And we are here to ensure that Meghalaya is able to retain its lost glory. A state which is known as a home of clouds has now been labelled as a safe haven for corrupt people. This is extremely shameful. And like I said every time, the Trinamool Congress, come what may, will stand by you, will fight with you, and we will not budge an inch from our fight against these autocratic forces. So we will have to decide in the next 2 months, for the next 60 days, every time you wake up in the morning, ask yourself one simple question. That what do I want for the state? Do I want a bullet in my chest and 5 lakh as an ex gratia compensation? Or I want 50 years of glorious future ahead for my state? This is one question you need to ask yourself every day after you wake up over the next 2 months.